Bling blow.
Good Lord, it's hot as Beelzebub's butthole in this bitch.
Alright, so I swear to God, my neighborhood is out to get me. Look what they put smack in front of my neighborhood. Ready for it? They put a speed like camera thing in front of it.
My daughter is pissing her pants as we speak. I don't have enough money to buy her that many Pampers.
Oh man, is just stopped on this river right now. What are we doing? We saving turtles over here? Oh, she really did. You see the big turtle?
Maryland type shit.
Shout out Honda Odysseys. I don't think you can do anything wrong if you're in a Honda Odyssey. Alright, so right now we're on the way to a little Dollar General so I can get my liquid Adderall in for the day because your boy's been having some long nights. Oh my God.
Yo, you could drive your car off that big ass dirt mound over there.
No shot.
Boom. Pussy good to the back. Fuck her mama and sister, we had a piece. I got her busting it open. I got her busting it open. I got her busting it open.
Real shit.
What?
You trying to get sexually active? Huh?
Nah. Yo, shorty is mad staring now.
Way better. She goddamn, mama. Alright, I got him. He said this can look cool, so I got him it, even though it's gonna be literally the worst drink ever.
That should look good low key.
You drink that whole bitch, you'd be. I took one sip of that, it got me up.
For real?
No. Trying to race? Yo! Trying to race?
He was looking too.
So I'm about to go to like some kind of parking lot probably, and then do the title of this video, and then later I want to do this funny TikTok idea thing. I think it'll be pretty funny. Then we'll go from there. So we'll keep you all updated.
Yeah, we're gonna do helicopter. Like we did a lot of coke already.
The purpose of this video today is going to be why you shouldn't buy a 335. If you guys want me to make a flip version of this kind of video, just blow this video up. Let me know if you guys want to see why you should buy a 335. So I'm going to be talking some mad shit about the car today. Don't ever buy one. They're pieces of garbage. I think it's going to be a list of 5 here. But so the first one I would say is if you don't know how to work on the car, I would not buy it at all because BMW is going to charge you like insane prices to open your hood. It's $1,000 for them to look at it.
Yeah, it's also $1,000 to look at my titties.
Look up his OnlyFans at Phantom Cock. Yeah, so if you plan on having BMW or like a body shop or whatever do all the work on your 335, unless you got that bread, I wouldn't even try to own one of these cars because they charge like insane prices just because BMW has the reputation of being super expensive. Honestly, as long as you have a phone that you can go on YouTube, you could do everything. They're really not that like complicated to work on. Like I'm a college dropout, dumb as shit, and you know we're here with this. I've never taken this anywhere for any work. She's all been done by your boy, and she's still running. Good enough.
That shit look hard, bro. That shit real
You said
hard.
It's making you hard?
A little bit.
The second reason why it might not be in your best interest to buy one of these cars is honestly because people drive these things like whores. People do not respect them. Like if like the main audience for people who like get these cars are like people who are just getting a car or like in that like 17 to like 23-ish range. So people drive them like assholes. I drive mine like an asshole. So it's just kind of what you got to do when you get these cars.
Just this car in the asshole. I made it my midnight woman.
He did actually just do intercourse anally with my car. When browsing the good old Facebook marketplace for 335, definitely look for one that's like garage kept. Like this one, I was fortunate enough to find that it was like 52K and like an older guy was driving it. When buying, I would definitely look for one that's stock and then go from there, because if you're buying like one that's already modded, it's probably already been slammed into a wall like 5 times, you know. It was actually in the Polo G music video too. I just painted it white for he said he wanted it white, so I was like, all right. So I spray painted it white.
Actually, Polo G is right here if you want to take a look.
Polo's G-string is back here. For real, number 3 is like all the common problems when you look up like, are M54s reliable on the internet? Everybody's gonna say no, they're not. So if you don't like keep up with maintenance on it, then all the common problems that Google says they're gonna have, I hate to break it to you, but it's gonna happen. So the 9 common problems that on FCP Euro is what I found: water pump, the carbon buildup in the intake manifold, the high pressure fuel pump, the fuel injectors, the oil filter house gasket leaking, serpentine belt shredding, the valve cover cracking and then also leaking like mine is, mint. The oil pan gasket leaks, the turbos rattle, and the turbos fail because everyone puts their tune to high hell on these things. So those 9 things, it's gonna happen. Like with mine, my water pump's already gone, my injectors have already gone, so it's only a matter of time for everything else to, you know, go. Unfortunately, all that stuff probably will go wrong. That's something you just gotta be wary of when owning one of these cars. Gap every 5.0 in the state for some little problems here and there. This is everyone's favorite part, the ass, not necessarily on cars. All right, another thing is a lot of people like to hate on the N54 platform. So when you're driving around a BMW, everyone's gonna say, especially at like a younger age, like I look 9 years old, everyone's gonna be like, oh, that's your dad's car, your mom's car. Everyone's gonna think your parents bought it for you. And they just, overall, BMWs get a lot of hate, but you know, you just gotta give them the gap so you can just keep them quiet, you know what I'm saying? Pretty much you either love or hate these cars. A lot of people hate on them for whatever reason, but you know, we're all here, love and support. Personally, I absolutely hate my car. People hate me. All right, anyways, I don't actually hate my car. So for number 4, BMW loves plastic on these cars. They love plastic. So everything OEM is plastic, like the charge pipe, intake, literally you name it, it's plastic.
My heart is plastic.
So in order to keep everything like reliable, you actually have to like swap to like an aluminum version or just like some kind of aftermarket version of it, because for some reason BMW's using plastic and it cracks easy over time with heat and stuff, but it keeps it down on the production rates, like as far as pricing. So that's why they do it.
When Wyatt eats hot Cheetos, his breath is hot, so that's why you gotta get aluminum and not plastic.
Yeah. So with these cars, you cannot go in thinking, oh, I'm gonna make 500 horsepower right away, like super quick. It's best to do maintenance over mods. I know that's contradicting exactly what we did last video. We just threw in 1,000 horsepower. But if you're buying these cars and you would be responsible about doing it, you should change like spark plugs, you get index 12 injectors, coil packs. It's really good to walnut blast the intake manifold because there's a lot of buildup that happens in it. Yeah, so with these cars, it's really maintenance over mods if you want to keep it for long term. I've had mine for 2 years. But with these cars, they have no oil dipsticks. You have to do it electronically. So, you know, if your car is not running, there's no way of checking your oil level, which is super whack. You know, I just DM'd BMW a picture of my butt because of that. So, you know, they really took an L on that. I don't know why they didn't put a dipstick in it. If y'all like this, let me know if you guys want to see the flip version of this. Because honestly, I did have a hard time coming up with reasons why not to buy this car, because I can't lie, I actually do love my car and I am not looking on selling it anytime soon. Subscribe to my OnlyFans to see the rest of that clip. That's going to do it for the things of reasons why you shouldn't buy it. Pretty much, to sum it all up, if you're not willing to work on the car yourself, don't buy it. If you're trying to pick up like hot dudes, buy it. If you're trying to get girls, don't buy it. Yeah, so that's it. That's all we're doing here.
I got my bowl full of Fruit Loops. I'm just looking for a clean spoon.
Where that
I got my girl in the other room.
Where she at, though?
Big dynamite, big boom.
I got a bowl full of Fruit Loops. Waking up in the morning cause I'm too cool. I don't even need to go to school, fuck school. And fuck those teachers with the rules cause I'm too rude. Bad bitch on my dick like a ruler, damn. Hold up, and I'm way too cool. I'ma aim at your medulla, damn. Hey, whipping up just like it's stew. Hey, I can't fuck with a dude. That nigga gay, he gay as shit. Bad little bitch, she wanna split my dick open. And then she gonna break it in half and break it and fucking suck it and bite it. I don't give a fuck cause I'm igniting shit.
So we made it back to my house. If you don't want to stay for this part of the video and you only care about 335s, you can suck my nut. So I seen this video on TikTok. I can't find the original anymore, but this is what we got going on. But pretty much it's just 2 bottles and they have to go back and forth. So the point is to do what he's doing, but blindfold it. Yeah. All right, so you go first or mine?
You're gonna have to go because it's your channel.
Alright.
Hey bro, didn't we used to play soccer together?
I think so, yeah.
Yeah, well the coach said I had really good ball control, but that was only because I was his daughter.
So I'm gonna give it a good first try right here. Oh my god, I really
How many numbers am I holding up?
27. Oh my god, this thing is literally
Close.
pushing my eyes into my skull. Alright, go.
All right. Whoa!
Oh my god.
You're gonna dodge every single one of them. I know you are.
Ready?
Because you're Mr. Miyagi in the flesh.
Here we go.
Let's go. Let's go.
Oh my god.
Let's go. Let's
my
go.
god.
Oh, you got it. You got it. You got it. You got it. Damn, boy.
Dun, dun, dun.
You're the Green Ranger, nigga. I know your fucking Ninja Turtle ass is gonna hit this shit correctly. Fuck. Oh god.
Oh, you killed it. Stay on that. Stay on that. Stay on that. Oh, you got it. You're about to get it again. That was pretty
Big
good,
old jugs in my mouth.
All right, did we get caught?
Dude, I promise you I can do it way better with my nuts, bro. But you don't believe me?
What do you do with your? What do you mean you're gonna do with your nuts?
I'm gonna do it with my testicles, my nigga.
Hey! Hold up! Hold up! There's no way!
I felt a pocket. That was my nuts.
There's no way!
Oh, okay, my leg.
Oh, you got her pregnant. Well, rap career's over.
Damn.
Time to see what my nut game's looking like here. So we ready to strap in right now?
These are really diagonal, so they honestly are kind of looking like my nuts right now. Come on, bro. You got it, bro. Nuts of steel. Nuts of steel. Let's get it.
Steel. Nuts of steel. Oh, plan B! Plan B! Recruited Colin. Mr. Colin right there.
Yeah, can you not?
Shink!
Like this?
Yep. Yeah. Got knocked out. Shink!
Same thing. Oh, yeah.
Oh! Game time, baby.
You just got knocked off.
Ooh.
Hey! Boom!
Close.
Boom! Oh!
Keep going.
Oh! KO!
Wait, beep with it. Stupid YouTube ass, bullshit ass. They always scared of blind people and shit.
Yeah, wait. Does Candace work there? You know the band Imagine Dragons?
Yeah.
Imagine Dragons? But that's insane. Alright, so that's gonna do it for this video. Thank you guys for watching the whole thing. If you made it to the end, comment an eggplant emoji. So hopefully you guys found it funny and informative as far as if you plan on getting a 335 in the future. Make sure to subscribe and like. Follow me on all my social media and check out Shop Webbies for a bunch of BMW aftermarket parts. Also, let me know what kind of videos you want to see in the future. Doesn't have to necessarily be 335 related. Definitely able to do any kind of content, not just car based. And let me know what you guys want to see for 5,000 subs. We're coming up on that pretty soon. So let me know what kind of special videos you guys want to see. Last time I reviewed cars. I can do that again, or I can do something special. So yeah, catch you on the flip.
On my